Howdy. Today, we're going to read 3rd Nephi chapter 14. And before I begin, I invite you to pause and say a prayer and ask for discernment so you can totally understand this. And if you want to follow along online, there's a link in the description you can use to do that with. And if you would want your own physical copy, not unlike this one, of the Book of Mormon, there's a link you can use to request one from the church. But if you want to get one from me, you can send me an email to gospeltruthboutwaffles@gmail.com, and I will send you one on my dime. And additionally, I will write my testimony, the inside cover, the outside cover, anywhere that there's available space. Yeah. If you want to analyze a conference talk with me, send me an email, and we can do that. If you have questions, if you're confused, hit pause, pray again, reread, or email me and ask me. Or ask a Mormon. Ask somebody on Mormon.org. Yeah. So, let's start reading, because I have to work on my final. And now it came to pass that when Jesus had spoken these words, he turned again to the multitude, and did open his mouth unto them again, saying, Verily, verily, I say unto you, judge not that ye be not judged. For with what judgment ye judge, ye shall be judged, and with what measure ye met, I have no idea, it shall be measured to you again. And why beholdest thou the mote that is in thy brother's eye, but considerest not the beam that is in thine own eye? Or how wilt thou say to thy brother, Let me pull the mote out of thine eye, and behold, a beam is in thine own eye? Thou hypocrite, first cast the beam out of thine own eye, and then shalt thou see clearly to cast the mote out of thy brother's eye. Give not that which is holy unto the dogs, neither cast ye your pearls before the swine, lest they trample them under their feet, and turn again and rend you. Ask, and it shall be given unto you. Seek, and ye shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened unto you. For every one that asketh receiveth, and he that seeketh findeth, and to him that knocketh it shall be opened. Or what man is there of you who, if his son ask bread, will give him a stone? Or if he ask a fish, will he give him a serpent? If ye then, being evil, know how to give good gifts unto your children, how much more shall your Father who is in heaven give good things to them that ask him? Therefore all things whatsoever ye would that men should do to you, do ye even so to them, for this is the law and the prophets. Enter ye in the spirit gate. No, enter ye in the straight gate. I have no idea where I got spirit from. For wide is the gate, and broad is the way, which leadeth to destruction, and many there be who go in threat. I don't think that is... I'm not sure that's the right word. But, thereat. Sorry. They squished it together. Let me read that one again. Because straight is the gate, and narrow is the way, which leadeth unto life, and few there be that find it. Oh, I didn't even reread it. Sorry, I skipped ahead. Enter ye in at the straight gate, for wide is the gate, and broad is the way, which leadeth to destruction, and many there be who go in thereat. Because straight is the gate, and narrow is the way, which leadeth unto life, and few there be that find it. There we go. Beware of false prophets, who come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly they are ravening wolves. Ye shall know them by their fruits. Do men gather grapes of thorns, or figs of thistles? Even so, every good tree bringeth forth good fruit, but a corrupt tree bringeth forth evil fruit. A good tree cannot bring forth evil fruit, neither a corrupt tree bring forth good fruit. Every tree that bringeth not forth good fruit is hewn down, and cast into the fire. Wherefore, by their fruits ye shall know them. Not every one that saith unto me, Lord, Lord, shall enter into the kingdom of heaven, but he that doeth the will of my Father who is in heaven. Many will say to me in that day, Lord, Lord, have we not prophesied in thy name, and in thy name have cast out devils, and in thy name done many wonderful works? And then will I profess unto them, I never knew you. Depart from me, ye that work iniquity. Therefore, whoso heareth these sayings of mine, and doeth them, I will liken him unto a wise man, who built his house upon a rock. And the rain descended, and the floods came, and the winds blew, and beat upon that house, and it fell not, for it was founded upon a rock. And every one that heareth these sayings of mine, and doeth them not, shall be likened unto a foolish man, who built his house upon the sand. And the rain descended, and the floods came, and the winds blew, and beat upon that house, and it fell, and great was the fall of it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Just a reminder in case you missed it last week, we're not doing the Wednesday fast anymore. I mean, you're welcome to fast if you like, but I've kind of gotten what I needed out of it, so I'm not doing that. But yeah, alright, I will see y'all later.